Logging into Ties can be done from the Ties web page. Simply click the Run Ties button on the web page to start Ties. Now it takes a moment to load, and you need to click the Run button if that appears. And the first step is to select the data network. So just choose whatever one is appropriate and click OK. And then type in your username and password and click Login. It's being very slow. I don't know if I'm actually... Okay. Now you need to select what role you want to be logging in as. As this user ID, I have two possible roles, preliminary user and researcher. Preliminary users only have access to the statistics tab. They can only view data in its aggregate form. They can't view individual reports. Researchers can query results and create orders. Other possible roles include honest brokers and administrators. Honest brokers can query reports and fill orders, while administrators can perform administrative functions such as creating new users, assigning roles, and creating new distribution protocols. Now, if you log in as a researcher or an honest broker, you need to select a distribution protocol. So select the appropriate protocol for what you want to be doing and click OK. And then here's what it looks like when you initially log in as a researcher. You have some buttons up here. This first one is to change role. So if you have multiple roles assigned to you, you could change what role you're logged in as right now. There's also several query buttons. There's the New Query button, which would just open a new query tab. There's the Open Query button, which if you have any queries that were saved, just click the Open button and you could then open a query that you had created previously. There's also a Save Query button, which is grayed out right now because I don't have a query created, but that's the Save button. There's also this Show My Order tab, which if you click it, will open up your orders area so you can view your orders. This button here is for opening the Statistics tab, which would allow you to view data in an aggregate form. And this is all that's available if you're logged in as a preliminary user. And then these two buttons are for closing tabs. You can close the current tab or close all tabs. These options are also available up under the File menu. You have the same options available. And for viewing tabs, you can go under the View menu as well. So you can use those buttons up here or find things in these menus up here.